What are you doing? Is there air in it yet?
Oh, right there. Puncture? Oh, it was something at one point.
Probably can't even see it in the camera. Oh, maybe you can. That's all right. Hold it there for a second.
Kind of stupid way you had to make a hole bigger just to fix it.
In order to construct, you must first destruct. Oh, wow. There we go. So it stays in. Yeah. Question is whether that seals or not. We'll see.
Yeah.
All right, moment of truth. What do you think? Is it going to leak?
No, probably not. Oh, there you go.
I ain't got my glasses on. I can't see anything. I'll have to take your word for it.
Ain't leaking, so.
No, it isn't. All right, well, we're just getting the trailer all greased up here. We're gonna clean it out, pressure wash it. We're checking the air in all the tires. Obviously, you could see we had a flat tire here, so we've taken our old tire, repaired it. I hope it holds. It seems like it's going to. We plugged, there was a nail hole, I guess, in it. Put our brand new spare tire on. So got 4 good tires on there and hopefully an okay spare. Now we're going to get to cleaning it out, pressure wash everything down. Andrew's gone off to get the grease gun. He's going to grease all the hubs, the wheel bearings on this. We'll spray down the trailer jack, things like that. And, it's fairly clean, but I want it really, really clean. We hauled calves in here and a cow in here last, but we're going to sweep it all out, get it nice and neat, spray it all down. Luke's is going to help you out there. It smells like piggies and cows in here. All right, and just like that, you know, an hour and a half later, the trailer is officially all cleaned out. Looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for this job. So I'm gonna hit the outside of it real quick just to spray it down, and yeah, nice and clean. Be ready for tomorrow morning to hit the road. Alrighty, well, we are back at it this morning. It's warm in here. We're gonna take a road trip this morning. Oh boy, traffic jam in the driveway. All right, I know I said before we were finally hitting the road, but now we're finally hitting the road. I had to stop and talk to Andrew. He just showed up to work, and Lauren should be in later today too. So we are headed for a very long road trip today. All right, well, we've been on the road for a while now. If you want to take a guess as to where we're going, leave a comment down below. It's 13 to 14 hour drive in one direction. If you want to guess at what we're getting, I did clean out the trailer, so that might give you a little bit of a hint there. All right, we've been on the road for a while, and we're headed to Pennsylvania. So we're headed to Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We need to pick up a load of pigs, or piglets, down there. But before we do that, I need to make one quick stop. I'm gonna stop at my brother's house. He has a wood stove for us. He's moving, no longer needs it, so we're gonna throw it in the truck here, and then we'll continue on to Pennsylvania. Well, it's now 4 o'clock. I have about 4 more hours to go. And I'm in New York State. I planned on videoing some along the way. Massachusetts is the most boring ride. It's all highway, nothing good to see. So I'm in New York now, just crossed the border. We're headed south and then over to Pennsylvania. So just stopped and refilled the coffee. Gonna have my lunch and hit the road here. Oh, and fuel up. So. Oh yeah, and it's pouring rain out. So it's been downpours off and on, driving in and out of it, so started to slow down a bit here. All right, well, in case you couldn't figure it out, it's early in the morning, so we're just hitting the road. I think it's about just 6 o'clock now. Gonna go find some breakfast. We're 45 minutes to an hour outside of Lancaster, PA. I think we're in Reading is where it was. Stayed the night at Red Roof Inn. We'll check the trailer real quick here, make sure nothing went wrong overnight. We're gonna hit the road. All right, I'm just getting my direction set for the day. I'm headed down. We're in Reading, and we're headed down to Lancaster to go get those piglets at the Amish here. Hoping this will be a slightly nicer ride, more country. Yesterday's ride was something else, I'll tell you that. I didn't want to go straight through the directions that originally said to go straight through New York City and then through New Jersey and then to get here. I knew I didn't want to do that, so I kind of went out away from the city. Well, I wasn't far enough away. There was still way too much traffic and way too many people. So today, I think we're going to go further in. So today, once we get the piglets loaded, we're actually going to go up through Pennsylvania, up to Scranton, and then cut across to completely keep away from New York and New Jersey. Drivers there are absolutely insane. The traffic was crazy, so but right now we've got about a 45-minute drive to get down there, so hoping it'll be light out by the time we get there.
Go past this light. Then at the next one, turn right.
This is funny. I've never seen them load like this before. It's a good idea. It's good on them. It's like a kid's slide at a... Oh, it's awfully tight in here.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Old Laycock Road.
All right, well, we're just getting back on the road here. Got all those piglets loaded up. I didn't video too much. I don't think they were too keen on being on video, but they did let me video a little bit of a piglets loading down the ramp, which that was kind of funny. And yeah, they had a lot of sows there. I think 150 sows, a bunch of piglets. So anyway, we're loaded up. Got 40 piglets on, and we're headed home now. So the Amish have very much capitalized on the tourism aspect here. Up and down the main road everywhere, there's signs that you can take buggy rides, and there's Amish quilts for sale, Amish furniture for sale. Anyway, seems to be their business is thriving. So there's a buggy shop right there, repairing buggies. And lots of really nice farms. I haven't been by one farm yet that I think is like dirty or run down, or they all look really nice. Really nice old houses in here. That thing is huge. All right, well, I just stopped to get some breakfast at a really good spot here, and it was awesome. It's a Countryside Eatery. These pigs are making a racket. Hey, settle down. Anyway, stopped and got a really good breakfast. And while I was here, when I pulled in, I didn't even realize it, but there's a farm center there. So I got some rubber feed pans, actually for water. I never remembered to bring any with me, so somewhere along the way we're gonna have to stop and get some water, but now I have rubber pans to water them in. I did have Andy there that I got the piglets from. Gave me a big bucket of grain that he's been feeding them, so the transition from his grain to our grain won't be so dramatic for him. But anyway, we're gonna hit the road, gotta get some gas, and then drive for 12 hours, I think. Maybe only 10 now. Headed home, yeah.
Where did you pick up?
Take a look. There's 40 of them in there.
40 of them.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Yeah. I forgot to bring a bucket of water with me though. Got grain but no
Yeah.
water, so.
Yeah, and they go through the water.
They
that's
do,
for sure.
yeah.
Now, where did you pick them up?
Down in Pennsylvania,
Okay.
down in Lancaster.
Okay.
Yeah, from an Amish fella down there.
Okay.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
hard to find this many of them in Maine.
Oh, yeah. My nephew, he's got the black and white.
Oh yeah.
Pretty good
Probably
size.
Berkshires or
They're supposed to be pretty good meat.
They are.
Some don't find out whether or not they are.
Yeah.
He bought two.
Yeah.
He had one. He bought two more. The fella says, "Yep, they're both females."
Yep.
Okay. He's standing down there one day. He's looking. He's wait a minute.
No.
That's not a female here. He says, so he called the guy and he said, "You know, you said these were two females."
Yeah.
He says, "You kidding me? It's not?" And he says, No. He says, "One's a male." But he says, "I want to buy another one."
Yeah.
And he says, "Okay." He says, "When you pick that one up, I'm going to throw another one in for you."
Well, that's nice
So
of
that
them.
was nice.
Yeah.
Of him.
It's awfully easy when you're in there grabbing. There's a bunch of them that
Oh, yeah.
think you're grabbing what you are.
What you are.
The minute you grab it, it's like, well, did I get what I thought? Especially when there's a bunch of them.
Yeah.
Nothing but the finest bottled spring water for our piggies here. Oh, you're walking in it there, buddy. Oh, knock that pan over yet. Nope. Come on, behave yourself. No. Stop chewing on the pan. Stop that, you little buggers. Hey, nope. Come on, drink the water. Stop playing with the pan. I think we're only going to give them, I got a few gallons, but it seems like they want to play with it more than drink it, so we're only, hey, nope, you stay right there. Well, they got a little bit to get them by for now. We'll stop in a few more hours and take a look at it. Say no. Yes. Oh, you stay put. No. Listen, we need some pigs on the side of the road. All right, well, we're hitting the road again. Got the pigs all watered there. They didn't seem too overly thirsty. We'll stop in another couple hours when I need to get fuel, and we'll check on them again and see if they're thirsty then. While I was there watering the pigs, another old fella that was pulled over, and he was out, his wife was actually walking their dog. He came over and wanted to know what was in the trailer. So he grew up on a dairy farm a long time ago, probably, and here in Massachusetts. So the old guy there asked me what we had in the trailer, and I, rather than just tell him piglets, I said, "Come over and take a look." So brought him over, opened the door. I think he enjoyed seeing the piglets, all of the piglets there. It never fails. Anytime we're traveling, I always seem to attract farmers, mostly older retired farmers that like to talk. So been all over the place. We actually went to a trade show down in New York City, right in the middle of New York City, and I found a farmer there. He had actually saw my John Deere hat, came over and asked me if I was a farmer, and we chatted. So it doesn't matter where we go, always seem to find somebody to talk to that's interested in farming or had a farm. Well, we're officially in New York, I guess. All right, this is going to be the last stop of the night and the last check on the piggies before we get home. We are back in Maine finally. Turn the light on, but it doesn't seem to help any. Anyway, hour and a half home, hour and 45 minutes now. All right, we're going to get these guys back to the farm tonight. They're going to stay on the trailer And then tomorrow morning, first thing, we'll unload them. They've been fed and watered a couple times today. All right, Operation Pig Scramble. If any of them get out, it's Andrew's fault. So I'm gonna put a dozen piglets in this pen. 14 here, 14 here. That's the plan, but we'll see how this goes. We got 13 there. Is that right? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Nope, nope, nope. Good, Piggy. Let's go. Come on. Good, Piggy. This is just like at the Clinton Fair there. A pig scramble. You guys are terrible at this. They've given up and resorted to plan B. Pick them up and carry them. Let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12 in there. The old pigs are like, what is this? What is going on here? Let's go. Hey, come on, get out. A couple of them there seem more interested in chewing on the pig water than actually drinking anything. Alright, well it's the end of the night now and I've just come out to check on the piggies one last time before I go to bed. They're already in bed. We'll wake them up now. All right, well now that I've woke everybody up, I should have been a little quieter. Anyway, that is gonna do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you wanna see more of what we're doing here on the farm, and we will see you next time.